Hi everyone, my name is Liiva. I am product manager at Upyard.
Hi there, I'm Sebastian. I'm head of sales at Upyard. And Upyard, as you remember, is a proud member of the company Kronos. Liiva, it has been quite a while ago, I think almost a year when we have made our first video. Do you remember that?
Sure, I remember Upyard launch presentation. It was quite preparations for the products and for the brand launch.
Yeah, that was quite a journey so far. And just to remind our audience about Upyard brand, what is the brand all about?
We can look at Upyard consisting of like two parts, up and yard.
Okay.
Up for the upgrade, for symbolically showing every little plant striving always up to the sun. And the yard as a territory that we upgrade, that we make more beautiful.
Cool. So basically it's all about making gardening easy for everyone, right?
It's so, exactly.
And why the idea about creating the own brand came up? Do you remember that?
We saw in the market that raised beds are regarded more like a commodity product.
Okay.
But we saw the potential and we believe that there is a place for a young, nice brand with soul, with heart, with passion. So we created Upyard as a Nordic, stylish, young brand.
Cool. I think the market was waiting for that. So basically it's all about Upyard.
Sebastian, why we are not in a very fancy restaurant like the last time in the video?
Well, this time I decided to take all of you with me here to our new fulfillment center. As you know, we do have quite a big factory with over 80,000 square meters. This is quite a new place. We call it fulfillment center, where we do the final packing and picking, and basically from this place all the deliveries to our customers worldwide are taking place. Another question to you, Liiva. Do you know what we are going to do here today?
I don't have to guess, I know. We will tell more about our product range, and about the new products for the next season.
Sounds good, so let's go for that.
Last year, me and my team, we have invested a lot of passion and efforts into new product launches. So I am really eager to know the feedback from customers.
Yeah, Liiva, that was definitely worth. We introduced those products last year at Spoga GAFA, and I must say the feedback was just amazing. You know, once the customers understood the idea, once they saw the products and understood the idea behind our product families, they all liked that. So basically what they liked our ecosystem, as you can see here, just like some example, which I guess you could explain us a bit more in detail, what we see here, why we call it ecosystem.
Yeah, we see that before it was just a palette color. But with introducing so many accessories, this gives a possibility to grow in raised beds anywhere you want. For example, with the protective tray, you can use garden box anywhere, in your room, on balcony, whatever. Snail edges.
So this is protection against the snails?
Exactly. So the snails cannot overcome this barrier. Also the arches here, these are the basics for prolonging your gardening season. You can start gardening earlier by protecting your plants from frosty nights. And here I want to show you another product, which is a self-watering system, but actually, Sebastian, this is your vacation. You can leave your plants for longer and they will be self-watering.
So I can go on travel and my plants are safe and watered?
Depending on how long you are going, but you can go for longer.
But that's cool, you know, these are exactly the points which are appreciated by our customers. And I know that we do have quite a lot of more of accessories, which are of course adding those additional values to our ecosystem.
Each of them, each of accessories, they solve a certain problem that customers have, or adds certain possibilities to the customers. Sebastian, what did customers like the most about our modern line products?
Well, first of all, they do like, of course, the clean and nice Nordic design. And of course, there are a lot of features which we also explain to the customers, but I would like you to tell me more about those features which we put into those products while developing.
So first of all the products in modern line, they have the feature that it's wood and black colored metal.
Cool.
So those are very, very solid materials with Nordic durable wood and those metal sides.
So it will last for longer, right?
It will last for longer, sure. And it gives this stylish appearance and also stability for the products.
And the products come with assembly instruction, right? Where I can read
Sure,
it.
each of our products has assembly instruction, very easy to follow, very easy to understand.
Nice.
Let's go to this
here?
product. Yeah, this is one of our newest products with very smart assembly construction. The same principle applies, that you can put two wooden parts together and slide it in. It's absolutely stable raised bed. Another very, very nice feature about this product is that it's compatible with most of accessories that we have for garden boxes. You can
That's
put
nice.
a greenhouse on this one, or you can use it with arches for covers.
Can I use the snail edges as well?
You can
That's
use
nice.
also
Okay.
your favorite snail edges and protect your plants from those Spanish snails, which is a huge problem for many
Absolutely, yeah.
gardeners.
Well, Liva, you mentioned already that we can mix and match the accessories between the garden box family and the modern line family. So what do we see here?
You see here two products. It's arches, and it's one of our covers. This cover is meant to protect your harvest inside the raised bed.
This protects my harvest against the birds, if I understand correctly.
Yeah.
And I see it's very, very easy to use. Yeah, you just pull it over and that's it.
Look,
right?
it's like this. You put it on,
Nice. Yeah. Cool.
and you can change the cover whenever you need.
Okay, Liva, and here I assume this is kind of greenhouse, right? Quite a solid product.
Yeah, it's a small greenhouse for your plants.
Okay.
Some of plants like special heat and special circumstances. So
And this one I can use also with both, with the modern line garden boxes as well as with our standard garden boxes, right?
exactly.
And what features do we have here?
Quite many features. One of my favorite features is the many ventilation possibilities. We can use this small pin and we can make it in different ventilation modes. So you can work inside safely and the lid is held up. Other features that I can mention here is the solid materials. It's UV protected polycarbonate and PFC certified wood. That all the parts are galvanized, so they will last for longer.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And then I think that is, I would say, my favorite in the new range.
It's
The
not
planting table.
it's not only your favorite. I think this is a favorite product for all the team. It's a stylish, stable, solid planting table. It is made so that you can do gardening easily. You can do replanting very, very easy and clean afterwards. So here you have a shelf for some gardening items if you want. For extra stability, metal cross in behind. With very nice height, so that it's very easy to work.
Yeah, also for me it's quite, the height is optimal, I would say.
Yeah, you can use it inside even as an interior item.
So basically with this table, Upyard is moving already inside the home.
Yeah, we are starting this season for entering also the territory of home. We have nice modern shelves, which also follow the same principle as modern family group, with black metal wire and nice wooden shelves. And we also have a new product which is called Plant Mover. So it protects your floor, it makes your plants easy to move from inside to outdoor. During cleaning or whenever you need to move your plants, it's very easy.
That's very nice. Thanks a lot, Liva. Well, Leo, before we discussed about our ecosystem, and that was the crucial point which customers did really like. And now I remember I put a task on you to make the idea understandable for the end users, so that our B2B customers, our DIY and gardening chains can easily sell these products and the final customers can understand the benefits of the ecosystem. So now I'm eager to hear how you manage this.
So we have developed two nice solutions for garden boxes. The first one is solution where garden boxes are sold vertically.
Okay.
They are very easy to lift and take for the end customers. In one box you can present all four colors, and on the communication materials, which are just hanged on the sides, we have all the benefits, all the modularity and different shapes communicated well to the end customers. Also, QR code can be scanned for more detailed information about this. So this is the first solution.
Okay.
And the second solution is made for customers who want to sell garden boxes horizontally. This is the way how actually we deliver the garden boxes to the shops. So you can just place it on the shop and just easily add this, this special stand with the communication materials. I really hope that this solution will place garden boxes to the next level, because with these solutions we can explain and bring to the end customers this cool idea of modularity, of accessories and all other things that can be built around this product.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think it's all about the ecosystem, and this display packaging, this special placement stand gives this understanding to the customers. So once again, Liva, well done. Thanks a lot. Wow, Liva, looks great, but what do we have here?
This is a special placement stand developed to organize all our accessories so that they would be self-explanatory and easy sellable to our customer.
So here we do have all the accessories we have for garden boxes?
At the moment, all of our accessories, starting from greenhouses, trellis, snail edges, self-watering boxes and all other items that we have.
Amazing.
Those products that mix and match together, they are placed next to each other, so it's very easy to understand for the end customer. Sebastian, how do you think will customers like this solution?
Well, I'm quite sure they will, because that gives certain benefits to the customers. But I would like to hear your idea. What do you think, which benefits we provide to our customers by offering this display solution?
To my mind, I see three main benefits. The first one is increased average purchase, because customers will understand the products and just be interested.
That's for sure.
Secondly, it will be less time spent by shop personnel to explain products. And third, it's more returning customers, because products are built as an ecosystem. You can build on and afterwards add more products if you want.
I would agree on all those benefits which you just mentioned, and I'm quite sure that our DIYers and our gardening chains did agree as well, and I will definitely let you know the feedback from our customers about this display solution.
I really hope that we managed to bring the idea of the new products for next season.
Thanks a lot for staying with us, and there are way more products to come, so see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.